Come on, take off the blanket. See what's under there. Put that down. Take off the blanket. See what's under there.
Come on, Al. Wait for Al.
Come on, Al. Take off the blanket.
Oh my goodness, Avery. What is it?
Al, take off the blanket.
Hold back.
What is it, Mommy?
What is it, honey?
Whoa! It's
What?
a dinosaur.
Take off the blanket.
Except for jumping.
No, El knows how to do it.
I know he has a serious. It's a dinosaur.
Avery, come take off the blanket.
Go, honey, go. Are you scared?
No, I'm not scared.
I think you are a little scared. Come on, Mommy will come with you.
Dad!
Look.
Not me.
Come here.
Not me.
Come on. Al,
Not
you wanna help
me.
Mommy?
Avery, this is your look. Come see who it is.
Look.
Oh, look at that.
That's a dinosaur.
It is. Can you come feed him? Is he turned on? His leaf's right behind you on the floor. Look at that. Avery, can
You want to feed him?
you feed him?
Al likes it.
Come feed him.
Avery, look.
What?
Look.
Uh-oh. It's not working.
He ate.
Mommy, I need hope.
What, honey?
I need
She doesn't
hope.
like the dinosaur.
Uh-oh.
You want to come feed your dinosaur?
You want to ride the dinosaur? Do you want to ride him?
Look.
Wow!
Oh, he's so happy.
Do you want to jump on him and ride him?
No.
You want to feed him?
Yeah.
Pick up the leaf and feed him. See it? Go ahead. Give that to him and feed him. Put it in his mouth.
Oh, you have to go like this. Come here.
Oh.
You have to get it in there. Al likes him. You want to sit on him, Al?
Al, do you want to sit on the dinosaur? Come on, come see Mommy.
Mommy, I need help, please.
Honey, it doesn't have batteries.
Let me see you jump, Avery. Yay!
Oh, you scared. He's okay. He didn't hurt you. He's a nice dinosaur. He's a nice dinosaur, baby. Are you jumping?
Yeah.
Can you sit down? No? Oh, it's all right. Look, I got him. No, you're scared.
Avery, you want to ride the dinosaur?
No. It's a film. It's a
You jumping?
Uh-oh. We have to feed him. We have to feed him.
You have to feed
Can you
him.
pet him? Can you pet his head? Scratch his chin? Can you scratch his chin?
Happy.
He is happy.
Oh, I have to jump in the shower.
We have to put batteries in there,
Needs
honey.
batteries, baby. Santa didn't have any batteries.
Look about Daddy's batteries. Oh, I have Dr. Striker.
Elle likes to feed him, don't you? You like to feed him.
Oh.
Can you pet his head, Avery?
Yeah. Oh my, not again.
Oh, not again. Did he drop his food?